Down, sub 52, position stand 61.
Sub 52, hello, patch message.
Good afternoon, please reposition from stand 61 into the engine test facility and also request permission for a follow me vehicle for two support vehicles coming back from the test bay.
Sub 52, roger, that's approved.
All support complete, sub 56.
Easy 61 Lima Bravo, request taxi. 61 Lima Bravo, second right turn, Kilo Bravo Alpha, Alpha 1. Second right onto Kilo Bravo Alpha, hold Alpha 1, easy 61 Lima Bravo. Charlie 8020, Stanley 5, for 40 Charlie, onto DQH 1027, hold position and call me on tower 118.630. QH 1027, hold position and 118. So 2 Victor Taxi, Juliet Foxtrot, stand 42. Juliet Foxtrot, stand 42, shuttle 2 Victor, thank you. Rest 18, ready for departure. 18, thanks for Alpha 1, line up 05 left. Alpha 1, line up and wait, runway 05 left, Emirates 18.
Second verifying left, sorry, 07 top.
D6 on Lima Bravo, by Alpha 1, line up and wait, 05 left. By Alpha 1, line up and wait, 05 left, D6 on Lima Bravo. Ground Ranger, patch message.